Hi guys, welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing Master of Science Information Security. Before starting this, I want to share something because we provide different kind of service related to the IGNOU and other university. Because we provide paid consultancy. If you want more details about any course, if you want PDF assignment, solo assignments, guest papers, previously solved papers, project help, and synopsis help, so you can contact us anytime. Now let's discuss about the course, the Master of Science Information Security. Eligibility is not given. So of course, if you have a bachelor degree in that field, so you can go for it. If you have a medium, so medium is English. If you have a English background, so you can do this for a Hindi background, you can also. Minimum duration is not given, at least so 24 months is the at least, and 48 months are the fees is not given. So when you will fill the exam form, so you can find the fees. Now the course structure is given here. How many papers will come in year 1 and in year 2. So there are total 17 papers. After completing all the 17 papers, you will get a certificate of this course. And uh, if you pass all the papers, so finally you will get a certificate. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon on WhatsApp. Save this number for future purpose. Thank you so much for watching.